Hello everybody, this is Leslie, and I wanted to come on here and give you a quick updated room tour as of right now. So I did a little bit more work on the room, so I kind of wanted to show you a little bit of where I am in my progress as of right now. So as you can see, when you walk in the door, this is where you walk in from. So I put the smaller kind of shelving unit here. I'm gonna say most likely the way this is situated here with the desk here, this is not moving. The way I have this situated has to stay this way. So this will be staying here. The way the things are on the shelves, that's probably going to move. But as of right now, I have my Eeyore up there. I have some shelves and some pieces up here. I have my Cricut down here, and I have some pieces that I keep some of my plastic containers and stuff that I put papers and stuff in. Then I have my desk space, and then I have the one piece that I had on the wall. I kept that there. The one that was next to it, I had to take down. I'm probably going to put that up here. These pieces here, the acrylic pieces, I'm probably going to keep them there. The one tiered piece, I'm going to probably leave that here. I have the boxes from Dollar Tree that I have glued together. I'm probably going to leave these here, like for right now, the way that I have them. I have some glue sticks in there. I have my tall inker thing in there. Eventually I'll paint them. And then I have one of these button things that I have that in there. And then I have just this here. And then I have my lamp. I have a couple of my journals back there. And then on the shelf, I have my Alice in Wonderland journal. A couple of my pieces of pottery that I've collected. Pieces that I keep some stuff in. I have my sewing machine there, which I don't have a cover for it, so the lace piece that I have the covered, the scarf, I have it covering that. Then I have the wood, couple wood pieces here, and then like I said, I have a couple of pieces here. This is just a mess right now. Then underneath I have those two black end, they're like pieces that you would put next to the bed. I have those two. I was able to fit them underneath this. I want to make a round journal and put that in there. This, I keep this here. Then I have my thing here. I'm probably gonna have to move that to get in here, but so I just have junk in there for right now. But I have all my distress inks and stuff in there. And then I have a whole bunch of, I put here, I'll kind of show you. I'm holding this by hand, but I put in these little baggies, I put like little pieces that I use that's quick to pull out, and then I put them in that drawer. Then I have all gems and jewels and jewelry findings and stuff like that in there. That's what's in that drawer. Then I have journals and stuff down there. Then I have some room over there. Then I have all my paints in here. All my mixed media stuff. I have my wax seals, pens, any type of gel pen. I have my modeling clay, stuff like that. And that's what's in there. All right. So then over here, see, this is the piece that I have to put back up. So then here I have some of my Halloween stuff. And then this is a mishmash of a mess. But like I said, it's in here, so I'll be able to like work with it. I have a lot of my incense. I have a whole bunch of these. And then I have some of my old books. I have like my mixed media paper. I have chipboard. And then so some of this stuff is like empty. I have my knitting needles, my crochet needles. I have stuff that I want to use to sell. Then I have over here, like underneath there, I have my colored pencils. And then those are all my 12 by 12 papers. These are things that I wanted to sell. Then in here, I don't even remember what I have in here. That's all nail stuff. That's all nail stuff. All nail stuff. This is all paper. Then that isn't going to stay there. That is not going to stay there. Then that is definitely not going to stay there. This piece I want to go on that wall. So once I can get John to move the cat box, that piece here fits on that wall or either that wall. But I kind of want it to go there. But I'm then thinking maybe instead what I might do is put my dresser on that wall and then just slide that back, which I'm thinking might be the more reasonable thing to do. So that's kind of more the direction that I'm going. Then we have John's dresser. I was able to get this that was in the den into here. And then I have my one rolly cart. I have another little rolly cart in the other room yet. I still have a couple of things on the floor. I have some old books down here, but plus I have old books out there. I have a whole ton of stuff on here that's just thrown on here. So there's no rhyme or reason to this yet. But I did organize a little bit of this. So I have a whole bunch of like laces and stuff here. Like this is going to be like lace and stuff that I'm going to sell. And then I have lace and ribbons and stuff in there. Again, I have ribbon and trims in there. What do I have in here? Oh, that's empty. That one's empty. Those are empty. That one on the bottom is empty. Those two things over there have all coloring books in them. And that's about it. So that's kind of where we are. So yeah, so that's how far I've gotten, but I do have floor. I do have a floor. So I was very happy with that. So I just wanted to come on and kind of show you part 2 of where I am in the craft section of the bedroom. So again, don't forget that we have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. So head over to that video and put in what you think the answers are. And I will say that there are a few of you that are incorrect in some of your answers. I do see at least 3 people that do have correct answers there. There are some answers that are incorrect. So you may want to revisit your answers. So just take a look. Make sure your answers are correct, because if they're not correct, unfortunately, I can't put you into the drawing. All right, so thank you all for visiting, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.